Teaching is no longer limited to classrooms. In 2026, teachers have a massive opportunity to turn their knowledge into digital products and sell lesson plans online. The best part? Once you create a lesson plan, you can sell it multiple times. That means passive income, money that keeps coming in even when you are not actively working. Most teachers already create lesson plans for their students. The difference here is packaging those plans in a digital format and selling them to other educators or students. Platforms like TeachersPayTeachers and digital marketplaces allow educators to upload worksheets, study guides, and educational resources. Each download becomes a potential sale. Imagine creating one lesson pack and selling it 50 or 100 times. That is scalable income. AI tools can make this process even easier. For example, ChatGPT can help generate structured lesson ideas, quiz questions, and content outlines. You don't need to start from scratch. You can use AI as an assistant, refine the material with your expertise, and create professional digital resources faster than ever. Design also matters. Tools like Canva allow teachers to turn simple documents into visually appealing PDFs and printable worksheets. A well-designed resource sells better because it looks professional and easy to use. Students and educators prefer ready-to-use materials that save time. The income model is simple. Create a digital lesson pack, upload it to a marketplace, and let buyers download it. You earn revenue every time someone purchases your product. This is passive income in action. You can also bundle resources into collections and price them higher, increasing your earning potential. Many teachers worry that they are not designers or business experts, but you do not need to be. Your knowledge is the product. AI and design tools are just helpers. Once you learn the process, it becomes repeatable. Create one product, then another, and gradually build a library of resources. Let's do some simple math. If you sell a lesson pack for $10 and make 100 sales, that is $1,000. If you create multiple products, the income grows. Combined with tutoring or online content, digital products become a powerful income stream. The demand for quality educational resources is huge. Schools, homeschooling parents, and other teachers are always looking for materials. By selling lesson plans, you are solving a problem and providing value. That is the foundation of any successful online business. If you're a teacher and want to start earning online, begin small. Create one digital lesson resource this week. Upload it, learn the process. Over time, you can expand and scale. Passive income does not happen overnight, but it is achievable with consistency. If this video helped you, subscribe for more teacher income strategies and digital product ideas. Comment below and tell me, would you prefer selling lesson plans or online tutoring? Let's discuss.